Sir, morning sir.
Good morning, sir. Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Hi. Ohayou gozaimasu.
My name is Yuji Tori. I'm in charge of Deso. So now we are supporting to this project, urban agriculture project.
Thank you.
Yeah. So today we can harvest our Japanese produce.
So the Philippines is now doesn't need to buy import Japanese beautiful, sweet, delicious melon.
Yeah, that's why we produce it in the Philippines.
Europlants is really doing a good job. But, thank you. No more than that. Oh. Of course. I visit your place. Pasensya na kayo. Pasensya na. Cecil, how are you?
Alright, so again, ohayou gozaimasu everyone, and welcome to Luneta Urban Garden. So for today's event, the highlight of today's event rather, is our Japanese melon harvesting. But before proceeding with our main activity for today, so let us shortly begin our official program. Alright, so may I request everyone to please stand up for our national anthem. Everyone, please remain standing as we move on to our prayer to be led by Ms. Carla Silva of Nupa.
Let thou stand in the most holy presence of the Lord, in the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Heavenly Father, we come to you today with a grateful hearts as we gather for this program. Thank you for the opportunity to unite together as we witness the first Harvest Festival of Luneta Park. We ask for your divine wisdom and guidance to be upon every attendee of this event. Bless the flow of our event and may our time together be fruitful, meaningful, and uplifting. We commit this event entirely into your capable hands and pray for safe, engaging, and successful program of the Luneta Park. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
So everyone, you may now be seated. So again, welcome to Luneta Urban Garden. So thank you so much everyone for gracing us with your presence today as we move on to our Japanese melon harvesting activity. But prior to that, let me warmly acknowledge all of our beloved VIPs and guests for today's event. So let me start with Honorable Mayor Francisco Isko Moreno, Dumagoso Mayor City of Manila, Mr. Paul Candelaria, Deputy Director of Political Affairs and Intergovernment Relations, Office of the Mayor, Next would be Director Joey T.J. Dizon III, Director of Market Admin Office, LGU Manila. USEC Cherry Marina Tividad Caballero of DAHDCPP. ASEC Elizabeth Lopez de Leon of DILG. Mr. Carl Vincent Gapasin, the Head Coordinator for NUPAP of DA. Executive Director Ceci Lorenzana of National Parks Development Committee. And Deputy Director Jezreel Gawis Apelar of NPDC. And also Park Operations Division Chief Forester Rose Tenepere of NPDC. And POD Assistant Division Chief Engineer Dowie Cruz of NPDC as well. And also we'd like to acknowledge Miss Bea Chulaurel and Miss Yvette Wilson. And also the team or members from Denso Philippines Corporation, our beloved President, Mr. Yuji Torini. Right, our Vice President, Ms. Aleli Garcia. And last but not the least, our General Manager, Mr. Christopher Gonzalez. Alright, so thank you so much everyone again for coming over and witnessing our first harvest of Japanese melons here in Luneta Urban Garden. So before proceeding with the highlight of the activity, which is the actual harvesting itself, so let us hear some words of encouragement and welcome from our Honorable Mayor, Mayor Isko Moreno. So let's give him a warm round of applause for some welcome remarks.
Thank you. Magandang umaga sa inyo. Again, Ohio gozaimasu. On behalf of the people of Manila, no more arigato gozaimasu. Ay, sa atin pong mga bahagi ng pamahalaan, kami po dito sa Maynila, natutuwa po kami ni Cecil. Dahil ito po talaga ang function ng Burnham Green or Park sa puso't isipan ng tao, lalo na ng dekada 80. Ito yung tinatawag namin gulong-gulong sa damuhan. Dito kami nagpapasya at nagpapagulong-gulong, magsyota, mag-asawa, pamilya. Even on a Sunday, especially during the early 80s, from Tondo, all the way, kung tatay ko, datalin ako dito, nanonood kami ng sine. May pasine dito. But now, it's a great opportunity for the people of Manila through the initiative of Department of Agriculture and the ILG and all national agencies na ang park na ito ay hindi lang magiging park na ito. This will be the center of opportunity for skills training, business, and learning. That's why the Department of Agriculture, on behalf of the people of Manila, thank you very much. Very excited kami. Hindi na tayo mag-import ng Japanese. Ang mahal eh. Akay mo. Yan, meron. Mahal, tama yun. Akay. Kaya ito, tuwan-tuwa ito. Kagabi pa ito. Si Director Gisa, sabi niya, boss, pamira tayo ng melon doon. Sabi ko, ipagpaumarin ko sa kanila, hindi ako makararating ng eksakto alas 9, dala ng dumating din si Presidente sa Maynila. Upang kaharapin, multiple meet and greet his presidential scholars in the city. 4,269. We just received 20,000 pesos for their family and themselves. At least to ease the burden and cost of enrollment itong darating na. So kami nalulugod. At kami naman, the Denso family, thank you very much sa inyo. At umasa kayo in line with yung Bureau of Plans, nakasama ko yan, nagbiyahe kami sa Singapore. Talagang inaaral namin yung future of urban farming. Lalo na in a highly urbanized setting like the city of Manila and Metro Manila. And other highly urbanized cities, about 200 plus of them, all over the country. So this will start in kilometer zero, just so you know. Because the Carabao, see the clock, This program is a symbol of a long journey for other cities, individuals, fellow Filipinos, to learn such great skills from a Japanese tradition or perspective through the initiative of Department of Agriculture. Sinasali, being transferred and share those type of skills, particularly for our future farmer all over the country. So thank you very much sa kanyang lahat. Salamat ni Cecil, ating direktor ng NPDC at mga kasama namin sa Pamala. To Denso, to DA, to DILG, thank you very much. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng buong nagabay. Maraming salamat. Manila. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mayor, for that very heartwarming message of welcome here in the park. Ayan, sabi nga po ni Mayor, pag kaya na natin i-replicate yung ginagawa natin sa garden, we no longer have to import Japanese melons kasi self-sustaining na po ang Philippines. We can do our own production. Hi, okay? So to proceed with the program, so first to give us overview on why we have or why we conduct this activity for today. So let me call on Yusek Chincaballero of DA to give us a short message on why we are proceeding this kind of activities, particularly in the urban setting. Hi, so I'll give her a warm round of applause.
Thank you to the Honorable Mayor, of course, our partners from DENSO, DILG, DOT, and Mayor. By the way, nandito po din ng Quezon City at Taguig. Yes. Our friends from Taguig are also here. They're doing their benchmark. So, sama-sama po ito. Dudugtungan ko lang yung sinabi ni Mayor kanina. This project aims to take off from the best practices that the cities can have given the situation that is crowded and there's lack of available fresh fruits and vegetables. Bukod po dito, what makes us attracted to Denso's technology is that yung kanilang training program, which runs for 2 weeks, is ATI accredited, and we are now moving to have it TESDA accredited as well. That means the kind of discipline and the learnings that has been imparted will be part and parcel of the transformation that the Secretary, Francisco Chulaurel Jr. wants to embody in the new agriculture sector. Karamihan po kasi backburning, backbreaking, ang pagtatanim, ano? Pero ito, cool climbing, saka it makes harvesting enjoyable. And so, your mentioning of Kilometer Zero is also a very good take-off point because we have 1,370 gulayan sa bayan which now produces seedlings that will be part of the food security and nutrition lens of the government. Ang aspeto mo nito, 60% of the seedlings produced will be sold by the women, youth, and senior citizens. So that will make them sustainable. And I was talking to Bea nga kanina, even the women in Boracay are already benefiting from the project. 30% will be divided amongst themselves para itanim nila sa kanilang mga bahay-bahay. And 10% of the seedlings sold will be donated to either the schools or the churches, so everybody can plant their own food. So it's one important element of mobilizing the entire community, and that is present in all the municipalities of the country. So women is our entry point because sabi nga natin, kesa nagmamarites tayo, masaya kumikita na rin tayo after a month. You could just imagine, our poster boy was a graduate of agriculture, and he won 50,000 in the Young Farmers Challenge. Just to give you the story why this became our inspiration to replicate. So, 50,000 ho ang napanalunan niya. And so, anong gagawin niya? So, nag-seedlings production siya. And now, he is employing 10 people, and he is responsible in supplying some vegetable seedlings to our growers in Cotillera. So yan po, Director Joey, yung dinadala ngayon dito at binibenta. So what's nice about it is that people learn the skills. We teach them how to fish and not simply give them the fish. And mobilizing this nationwide and taking off from Manila is one important element that we will cover today. So napakahalaga po at nagpapasalamat kami na sa maikling panahon ay na-absorb ni Yorme ang ating interest, no, na mapakain ang buong Pilipinas. And this indeed is a very good starting point. Maraming salamat po in cooperation also with DILG and of course with DOT. We will have a big event to work on September, and I hope the City of Manila would be a very good host as well to have the pagkain, edukasyon, agriturismo at trabaho. Mayor's Peak Project. Thank you at isang magandang umaga po.
Thank you so much, Yusek, for those very insightful words. Ayan. So, Yusek was able to give us an overview of why we have this project. And moving forward, what are the things we have to look out for sa next developments ng ating pong partnership? And last but not the least, before we proceed with the harvesting proper, let's hear some words from our own President, Denso Philippines President, Mr. Eugene Toribe.
Magandang umaga sa iyong lahat. Yes, I'm Yuji Tori, in charge of Denso as President. And first of all, thank you for your support to proceed this project. I really appreciate you guys. Because now you can see the Japanese melon in here. Now we proceed the same Japanese melon in Iban City. This is first time copy to here, meaning real made in Philippines melon is here is first. So I hope it's masarap. Yes, yes, I hope. In case of Denso Philippines, now we are around 20 billion peso sales amount, and also 2,000 associates work at the Laguna, Calamba. Then we really appreciate the Philippine social because we can proceed that kind of equal parts business in Philippines. So in 2021, we thought how to support the Philippines. Then at that time, Mr. Areli and me discussed about it. Then agriculture is best effective to Philippine support. Then 2022, we are tied to DA. Thank you very much. Then now we can see this kind of greenhouse with our autodozer. Thank you very much. Of course, if we have chance, I want to develop this kind same system in other area. So at that time, Denso Philippines fully support you guys. I promise. Thank you very much.
Okay, so thank you so much, Tori-san. So again, as Denso, we stay committed in continuously developing this kind of project for the Filipino people, sustainable agriculture. Okay, so before we go, finally, last part of our program is we have already sliced up some melons, so you can taste it before harvesting. Because so that is actually our from the farm that we have in Ibaan. Because actually the melons that we will pick now, you cannot eat today. Because we still have the curing process, or it needs to be stored for 3 days under ambient temperature. So meaning after we harvest today, you cannot eat it later for lunch. So that will be consumed on Friday. So for you to have an initial taste of the melon, so we will be distributing some slices. So bits of our Japanese melons for you to try. So you can have an idea of what your melons will gonna taste like after 3 days. So that is our Japanese melons in a cute cup. So those are our Japanese melons. The signature texture is mushy or tastes in the mouth. Or tastes like, melts in the mouth texture. Sorry. Alright, so that is the signature taste of our Japanese melons. Okay. So finally, we are on our harvesting proper. So at first, may we request Mayor Isko, Yusek Ching, and NPDC Director, President Toriki, to please lead the way to our greenhouse as we begin our harvesting proper.
Asan yung bata? Magaling yung... Saan yung trainer? Ito, halika. Kwento mo kayo. I'm proud of this guy. Oo. Because he's been educated to... Sige, kwento mo.
Malinis eh.
Meron silang worksheet. Yun,
Yung worksheet na yun,
training ng ano, Denso.
ay bibigay yun sa isang individual. Babasahin ka na.
Memorize nila yan. Para daw sa instruction. So, checklist. So, ito yung mga regular. Pero
Ang
yun
tawag natin dito, respect. Respect.
Yes.
Ito, ano to? Herbs.
Kasi ang goal natin ito yung mga bata. Sa susunod, yung squash ice cream gagawin natin. 70% squash.
Halos pagkain na to.
Siguro ngayon pwede.
Saluyot po. Tagal ko hindi nakakita ng saluyot.
Pamitas dito na
Basically, you don't need soy.
So, Mayor po, for this one po, main technology of Denso is this nutrient automatic dowsing system po. So what it does po, instead po na farmer yung mamano-mano po na mag-mix, mag-itimpla ng nutrients, yung system na po yung gumagawa. So si farmer po, mas focus po siya din sa mga non-automated po na farming practice. For example po, for checking, for defoliation, or pruning. Doon po. Pero yung management po ng halaman sa pagpapataba, yung system na po yung
Denso technology.
Yes po.
All kind of points. Most difficult and stressful job is
And the
nutrients.
nutrients is being processed automated.
Filipino made. Made in the Philippines.
Developed by me.
Developed by Filipinos. Branded by Denso.
That's nice.
Yes. And the homegrown.
Something to share to the world.
Yes. That is our
So with this limited space po, we were able to grow 54 melons. So very complex.
Ilang metro kwadrado ito?
Ito po
50?
6 and
20 square meter.
mga around that po, 15 to 20 po.
20 oh.
Opo.
But this one po, we were able to grow around 54 pieces of melons. We can go inside po to have a look. So for this one year, kasi umulan lang yung isang beses, kaya parang nag-wilt na po siya. Pero at this harvesting stage, this is the final output po for the
Ilang
Japanese
buwan to?
melon production. It takes 3 months po, 90 days from seed to harvest po.
For this,
Yes po.
to be present in the plant.
Yes, sir.
90 days.
Yes po. And one
Magkano ngayon ang isang piraso? Sa...
the imported
Magkano
melons po
ngayon?
are priced 4,000 per piece.
Uy. So pag binenta ko to ng 500, panalong-panalo na.
Very competitive na, sir.
Di ba kung katulad namin, may famous San Andres kami malapit sa Bureau Plant. Puro prutas yun eh.
And each melon po weighs at around 1.4 to 1.7 kilos. So it's very productive.
Tapos pwede rin itong pipino.
Yes po, the
Diba
pipino.
kasi,
Yung pipino po pwede natin po i-grow ng katulad po ng parang ito.
pero ito, pwede rin sa lupa.
Pwede po pero mas na-expose po siya sa mga peste at sakit. So,
Talaga.
kaya po
Hindi, pero
natin
kung
siya
halimbawa, ano rin, what do you call this, greenhouse din, pwede rin siya.
Yes po, pwede po. As long as balance din po yung nutrients.
Yung pH
lupa.
nung...
Yes po.
So, hindi po yung mix ng fertilizer.
Dito po siya na-irrigate po.
Tapos automated na siya.
Yes.
So, for the investors, like farmers, to develop their property, cost efficient siya in a long term. Kasi less human
Less manpower.
O, yun ang pinakamalaking gasto sa farming lagi. Ani.
Pinamasahe niya ito.
Talaga? Paano mo minamasahe?
Actually,
Donald, paano mo? Ito yung, pwede ka ba sa bahay? Ano niya rito? May ginagamit yung okay. Bakit daw? With the firm touch or soft touch? Parang ginanya mo lang. Hindi mo kailangan bigyan ng pressure. Malasok, malasok.
I think it's presenting the face of valuable.
Ay, tsura.
Kasi minsan, before this one, hindi siya pag-work. Ito yung not only
So doon siya nakikita.
yung nagpapa-high value po sa kanya.
Sabihin mo po, isang bulig, may 54,000 ka every 90 days.
Karustan, 4,000
Kaya nga, sa isang bulig na nga lang, at 54 pieces, may 54,000 ka. In a 20-30 square meter. Divided by 3, that's about 15,000 a month. O nga, 54,000 in 3 months. Divided by 3. O, pagbenta mo ng 54, huwag mo tosgasin lahat. I-divide mo ng 3 buwan para meron kang buwan ng panggastos. Kasi minsan it's a matter of mindset. Uy, kumita ako 54 ngayon, tudasin ko na. Ubus na. Next month, kaya kailangan ganun ka mag...
For the melons din po pala meron, according to India po, yung melons po natin hindi po siya magkaka-age. So, depende po kung anong araw siya na-pollinate, kung ano po siya nabuo.
Manual pollination pa pala. So, parang inaasawa. Inaano niya yan. May process.
So, for today po yung ka-harvesting po natin, yung saktong age po, sila po yung mga color orange po na siya. So, you can have blue. Ano po yung gusto nyo, if they already harvest, lahat po ng orange tag. So, yun po yung
Pero ang kwentada niya hindi sa itsura. Ang kwentada niya sa kecha. So, mas madali lang siya matutunan.
Tsaka isa ngayon, isa lang. Sa isang puno,
Dapat isa lang.
minimintain lang nila isa.
Para matamis.
Para matamis. Saka lahat ng nutrient.
so 1:1.
They're very selective.
Pag naputol mo, tatanim ka ulit. Patay na tong halaman.
Compose mo na ito.
Nagagamit ko ito sa feed meal.
Pwede po, actually, part po namin sa Ibadan, yung lahat po ng mga pinagtabasan po namin, dinodonate po namin sa mga may magulang, sa
Buyan and Manukan.
Tapos pinaprocess po nila.
Ano, through drying. Tapos minimil.
Opo.
Included sa regular feed
Parang
meal.
pinapeletize mo no waste.
No waste.
So pwede po siyang gawin na
Kasi matamis.
yung paglalagay.
Saka ano Mayor, eventually, mas madali natin i-sustain yung hanap buhay ng tao. Saka yung interest ng mga bata. Kasi, nag-compete siya. He would take care of it kasi yung training niya. So, yun yung tinitingnan natin sa para sa
Anong pH level dapat ang lupa? 5.8. 5.8. Yun ang i-maintain mo kung maglulupa na. Kung magre-respect nutrient driven.
Would you like to harvest the pwede?
Ay kami dalawang ni Jose.
Yung lupo.
Ayan. Kami dalawa. Dito ka, Jose. Ito ano to? Ito yung cutter.
Pruning shade.
Tina lang po tayo medyo pointed po kasi
Hindi, saan titirahin? Ito.
natin para mag-form po siya ng letter.
Yusek.
Hawak na.
Oo. Paano daw? Ayan.
Kasi tiyan.
T, ito.
Jose ko.
1. Okay, ang laki ng niloan. Okay, thank you. Yay! Nakatali pa siya, hindi mo mananakaw to.
Nakakawalan mo na.
Oo.
Alaya ka na.
Oo.
Punta ka na sa tiyan.
Anong araw pa daw? So, hindi mo talaga sa ano. Oo, nakalak. Yay!
Kinilo po kasi ito namin.
Kinilo nyo. Magkailan na to?
1.8.
1.8 ito. Ah, yung kay, ano, yung
1.9 po.
mas mabigat daw yung melon mo, Yorme. 1.9.
Let me feed that for you. There you go.
So, ibebenta na to.
Yes po, pwede. Ma'am, medyo para sa ito ng pag na-harvest po. Yan. Sige po. Yan. Okay.
Pero may bago ko natutunan ha. Hindi mo siya pwedeng tirahin pagka-ani. Ano tawag sa ferment? 3 days? Curing. Hindi ferment, curing.
Ay.
Thank you. Yusek, o nakakahuna.
Can we take another photo?
Nakakahuna.
Kasama po si
Oo na. Si President.
Yeah. No problem. Yeah, okay. And you said, hi. Yeah. Okay.
Asek, back.
Mayor, side. Hi. Isay po, Cordenso. Ayusek. 1, 2, 3. Hi.
Kasali lang ako.
Okay. Hi. Asek. Yeah, you can harvest.
Pwede i-share mo rin ha?
Hi, Asek. Chef.
Ceci. Ay, Ma'am Cecil nyo. Si Ma'am...
Kaya mo?
Director Cecil.
Mamatras na ma'am sa photography.
I'm sorry.
Hindi pa kaya. Ito okay na.
Ayos ba yan?
Okay. Okay.
Pag nag-harvest po kayo, lagay nyo na po dito.
All more types of harvest. Ito yung mga
Pakita mo kay Mayor Lani. Oo, sa kanya isa. Yung minumodify na gamitin yung local na kawayan para kunyari sa farmer maging affordable sa kanya.
Sa kanya.
Opo, kasi ano daw,
Yan. So, pag kumita na si farmer, mag-invest na siya ng gusto. But this one will also make it work para balansyahin.
We have two unique products. Number one, this is Rico. Camp consists lettuce, tomato, cucumber, melon, everything. Because nutrients control is different, but everything already we made the software, and that software inside of the cloud already. Cloud means number two. If they connect to the internet, they can connect to the for example, this season melon, next fruits tomato. They just click. So nutrients control for those just to the fruits tomato.
Ang binibili ba natin? Yung tech, pwede nagtitimpla kayo kung tama ba yung soil, tama ba yung light, tama lahat. So this is able to gagawa ka rin ng ganito by controlling what you got. Smart system to make sure that
Pero gano'n naman ang halaga ng
we are working on a bigger area. Magabawi mo siya. Nueva Vizcaya, which will launch like 1,000 square meters. And it's going to be usable in a protected population or controlled.
yes, system was So, ito po, halimbawa, what I can do, this is the process. Keeping natin yun lang po.
That's why in near future, now we are developing the software.
You have something that already.
Pero basically,
Grown on the land of Thousand Islands, Philippines. Japanese technology, Japanese origin, roots, but done by Filipino and grown in our land. Okay, nakakatuwa.
May nakabantay na kami guard dyan. Mga pulis.
Ay, wait lang. Una so kayo ganun challenge for this. Establishing it should be less than 7 first floor. Kaya, we are looking at pero ito lang ang
puting nito.
Pero
sabi ko, papadala we'll visit the air factory plus the ibaan again. Diba? We'll bring some of this tea. Kung may want to.
This technology comes
Okay ba? At alam mo si Mayor Lani,
meron na po.
mamaya dadaling ko na. Sabi mo kakainin niya sa Friday. Friday.
Ako yung nag-explore
Sa Friday. Meron na ba kayong Friday?
May pero kami kasi loaded. Wala pa. Yung sinasabi, those kids, when they get
Meron na po. Tsaka andun na yung mga tao natin yun.
sige, halika. Oh, scared na ako. Hey, thank you. Nilinis kasi Nilinis. Huwag ka magdala. Tapos sa 24 hours.